This is a Rubbee made in Lithuania. It's an electric bike conversion kit. All you have to do is lower it to the position, turn it on, and you're good to go. It's a new device that's super easy to use. The cool thing about it is it works with all of the bikes. Mountain bikes, road bikes, city bikes. Once it's turned on, all you have to do is pedal. It then assists you on pedaling up to 25 kilometers an hour, and if you put 3 batteries instead of 2, you get extra 7 kilometers an hour. That's a hack. Let's test it now in the city environment. Okay, I'm already feeling the power. Hear the sound. Even when you stop pedaling, if it senses you're already moving, it just keeps on pushing. I love this feature, actually. We're at around 32 kilometers an hour, which is plenty. It's way much more than you would pedal normal circumstances. So my test criteria is threefold. How does it help uphill? How is it in the city? Would people buy it? So Jay from India tested it and he said it's a cool gadget.
How are you doing?
I have this. It's an electric conversion kit. If you want, you can try it.
It doesn't have any gear, right?
Nope. All right. Super cool.
Yeah. You are selling it for 600, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like 50 kilometers range.
So does it have any website for this?
Yeah, Rubbee.
Rubbee. Yeah.
Or let's get more opinions from Walt or Deliveroo guys. Oh, Sergey. Na ir kaip? How many kilometers do you do a day?
50 to 100.
Yeah, 50 to 100, alright? And you, mate?
Maybe sometimes more than 50 kilometers.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah,
So now I'm in the train. Let's start the review. Once you unbox it, you will find 1 or 2 batteries. As well as the whole electronic Rubbee. So what we've got inside, and this is the whole device. So it all comes pre-packed with everything you need to get it rolling. I think I'm gonna do the best part of it. The whole device seems really solid. It's aluminium and some plastic, but the plastic seems well made. You see a light which shows the charging capacity, and here's the wheel. The whole lock mechanism is quite solid. I'm a little afraid of the metal surface which sticks to the seat post. So this part goes here. The speed sensor fits directly onto the bike's pedal with the zip ties included in the package. Rubbee has its own app with some smart features such as regenerative braking, showing speed, etc. When you lower it, it attaches to the wheel. It's quite simple. When you need to remove it, you just use the quick remove button. That's it. You're ready to go or charge it. Does it work on rough terrain? Yes, it does. Does it work uphill? So easy, it's almost cheating. Passing a regular cyclist uphill is easy as pie. This is true electric power. Without hands, up the hill. So, Rubbee just launched. It's available everywhere and on Two Wheels Empire website. You've got my approval.